Do you need a professional welding worker to operate this welding machine? No. Now let me show you how. Our kindly portable laser welding machine, despite its small size, is incredibly powerful. Its clear interface makes operation incredibly easy, with settings for power, width, and speed all displayed. Welding materials like stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum all clearly shows on display. Select your desired model: spot welding, continuous welding, cutting, pulse welding, etc. Welcome, contact us if you want to know more.